Hi everybody, today we're talking about Ratchet Clank Into the Nexus. It's a kind of preview. We're gonna start with the pre-order bonus. You get this awesome armor. It's totally free, you just need to go to your game store and pre-order it. It's very nice. We're gonna start with the trailer. So, right, check it out.
But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race. My brother's going to find me, and he's gonna hurt all of you.
Sir, we are within striking distance of the Nebulox.
Bye, Ratchet. I'll see you soon.
So that's that. The release date is 12/13. Very original. So just a few more days. 9 days. Awesome. Alright. There's also a video uploaded by Sony where you can check out the weapons. Right here. Zircons. They look really awesome, and you have different circles. A mother, a son, one big family. So yep. Some people think that there's coming a version for the Vita, but that's not announced yet, so we will see and have to wait a few more days or weeks of I don't know. There's also not coming a collector's edition, so nope. And there's also really awesome 2D levels with Clank. The graphics are super, and really it's very good. It's already the 12th Ratchet Clank game, so yep, a lot of Ratchet Clank games. It's much better than Q4 than All for One, but it wasn't a bad game at all, but still it's much better. There's also it's a very creepy game, so it's gonna be very nice. Thanks for watching, see you next time.